increasingly autonomous systems are facing a lot of responsibility to be at least as safe, if not safer, than manned vehicles. I'm going to go all the way back to the first launch vehicles. We had chemical rockets that had multiple stages in the Apollo program and even before that were recognized to provide the delta V, so to speak, from the rocket equation that allowed us to take people, life support, and the rest of the body of the spacecraft from the surface of the Earth into orbit and then boost it beyond that to go, in this case, to the lunar surface eventually. The technologies for that were really breakthrough 5 decades ago, and a lot of them are almost the same as they were then. Take the launch vehicle itself. As we watch SpaceX, Blue Origin, and other emerging launch vehicle companies take payloads into space and talk about Moon and Mars, we find that we still have multi-stage rockets with chemical propulsion, whether it's solid or liquid fuel, that are taking the payloads where they need to go. A lot of that is the same. The life support for people going to land on the moon or eventually to Mars, we need spacesuits. We need to have the temperature, the radiation, the pressurization, all of the things that are essential for human life to be inside either a controlled environment within the space capsule or else in the spacesuit that allows people to go outside their capsule, either in space with EVA, extravehicular activity, or else on a planetary surface or the lunar surface, so that they have an environment suit that allows them to basically walk around with reduced gravity for a limited amount of time. These things are really essential to allow people to explore, as opposed to send strictly robots out of their lander to explore the lunar or Martian surface.